spring is in the air and we all get that spring cleaning itch. Now is the perfect time to start those remodeling projects you've been talking about all winter long, maybe even longer.
Maureen Bartelt, a real estate agent at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Premier Properties, is here to explain why considering remodeling projects can add value to your home and why it's so important. Great to have you here.
Hi guys, thanks for having me.
Let's talk about what are some of the first questions we should be asking ourselves as we're looking to maybe do some remodeling projects.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think it's important to determine if you're planning to stay in your home, so remodeling for longevity, or if you're planning to remodel for resale. If you're planning to stay for longevity, have fun with it. Personalize your home to suit your needs. However, if you're planning to remodel for resale, there are projects that you'll have a greater return on your investment for, and you want to be sure that you don't overvalue your property for your neighborhood.
So what are some of those remodeling projects that bring value and are kind of the biggest things for us to do?
Yeah, so a minor kitchen remodel, it actually costs on average $15,000, so in my mind that's kind of a lot of money, but minor would be anything that doesn't drastically change your floor plan. You'll actually recoup about 98.5% of those costs when you go to sell your home.
That's pretty. I do like the update that they did, just a little bit of paint,
just
or
a
new
nice
coverings.
before and after. The next one would be just an exterior upgrade. So new paint, siding, updating your front entry, you'll recoup about 95.5% of those costs. And then the final one would be adding a deck, a patio, or a porch addition to your home. And you'll recoup about 90.3% of those costs.
Wow.
Yeah.
So if you're not maybe going to plan on staying in your home for 20 years or whatnot, what are some other ideas or suggestions?
Things to avoid would be adding a pool. It's a great option to have, but they're super expensive, and that's actually going to reduce the amount of buyers for your home significantly.
Wow.
We're seeing more and more that people like to have hardwood floors, hardwood surfaces in their home, so avoiding too much carpet. Another one would be high maintenance landscaping. So not everybody is a master gardener. They don't want to spend all of their free time in their backyard. So opt for the more low maintenance plants, and then just remodeling rooms or making your rooms in your home too specific. So I'm not super into working out. You might be, but maybe when I view your home, the mirrored walls isn't something that attracts me to that home. So keep those things in mind if you're looking to sell.
Like a craft room.
Right.
Yes.
My scrapbook room probably wouldn't be the best thing. Now, when you are going to be doing some of these different projects, should you call a professional? Should you do it yourself?
So I think everybody's skill set is different. It's important to determine where you're at with that. So if you don't have that skill set, obviously make the investment. It's better to do it right the first time, save yourself the time and the extra money that you'll spend on replacing those products because you did it wrong. So that would be my advice.
So if people want to get a hold of you, want to work with you, how do they go about doing that?
Absolutely. They can reach me by phone at 701-388-7738 or by email at mb@bhhspreproperties.com.
Perfect.
Good stuff. Thank you for being here.
Yeah, thanks so much.
All right, stay with us when we come back. We're talking about what you can do to help people with epilepsy right after this.